Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to another installment of our how-to videos. I'm going to be showing you real quick, easy steps that you can use so you can start hedging your trades on the CloudTrade platform. Now it's really quick and really easy, so I am going to take you through it. So you really want to hedge your trades after you've done your market analysis and you want to enter into the trade. So as you can see, currently I'm analyzing the USD to the CAD and now want to place my trade. So I will go back to my watch list where it says USD CAD and I'm going to click on trade. So now this option will then pop up when you can obviously see my amount, and I'm going to choose whether I'm going to sell or buy, and I'm going to choose buy. Now, for instance, let's say I'm not certain about my buy position and I might need to take a sell position in future. I will need to then click on my hedging box over here, and this will then allow me to place more than one trade on the same instrument. Should you forget to click the hedging box and place another trade on the same instrument, both positions will be closed. So please do make sure you click on the hedging positions before every single trade. Or what you can do is you can click on the settings button here at the top and you can click on always hedge. So this allows you to enter the markets without worry on whether or not your hedging position will be closed, and then you know that it's always on. Thank you so much for watching this how-to video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information.